Southwire is an industry leader in custom branch circuit power whips for mission-critical facilities. We proudly manufacture UL-listed mission-critical power cables, which are tested in a controlled environment in our expansive Youngsville, North Carolina facility. Southwire's cabling solutions team is recognized globally for product quality, customer service, and commitment to manufacturing innovation. Through our user-friendly Excel-based cable builder, we provide the exact cabling solutions you need. We will build each cable to your specific requirements, from cable length, device type, mounting, and labeling, to help ensure a smooth and efficient installation. Every cable we manufacture must pass our stringent testing standards before we ship. For every test we perform, electronic and hard copy results are provided upon request. Our proprietary testing helps ensure that there will be no arcing or shorting of any conductor within the cable, replicates and measures the max load the cables will endure while in use, and verifies proper wire gauge and phasing. Cables are sorted by customer preference, PDU, location or device type, and coiled into sturdy fiber drums or cartons for safe shipment. Each carton is labeled with its exact contents, ensuring efficient job site location and identification. We have standard next-day service to many large metro markets on the East Coast. For the rest of the continental U.S., standard service is 2 to 4 days, with expedited shipping service available upon request. We help reduce overall project costs by eliminating multiple component purchasing and minimizing labor, warehouse, and inventory costs with the turnkey solution. By pre-assembling the components at our facility, contractors can install our power whips more efficiently with smaller teams, allowing the extra manpower to tackle other phases of the installation at an optimized pace. From small server racks to big data centers, we can accommodate orders of any size, with no minimum order quantity. Southwire's custom-assembled power whips are an industry solution for quicker, more effective installations that help keep a mission-critical facility running smoothly. Your operations require reliable and dependable power, and you can trust Southwire to deliver it.